Hi everyone, my name is Miss Durante. Welcome to our classroom. I'm so excited to meet you and welcome you as 6th graders. A little bit about me. I love math and science. I've taught at IES for about 4.5 years, and I clearly love to have fun. This year is going to look a little different than the school years you've had before, but that's okay. As long as we can adapt, we will thrive. Let's go over a few expectations. Be responsible by having your Chromebook charged and all other materials ready for the day. Be safe by following all school safety and health guidelines posted around the school and in your handbook. Be kind by listening to others, following directions, and understanding that we are all in this together. Here's a quick tour of our room. You'll each have your own desk and some basic supplies to stay in school, but please bring anything you would need on a normal basis, like your Chromebook, calculator, pencil, etc. You can fill your water bottle at the sink. Do the challenge of the week for a fancy mechanical pencil. Check out the early finisher board when you're done with your work. Earn all the new trading cards on Education Galaxy. A couple things about math and science this year. There's no homework in science except for maybe studying for a test or a quiz. Projects can be worked on in class, but don't fall behind. In math, instead of going home and having trouble with homework problems, instead you'll watch a math video, take notes on it, and answer a question or two about what you just watched. Then any questions you may have can be answered in class when you practice. You'll also have some classwork to complete, quizzes, and tests. There's one thing I want to leave you with. If you were ever scared of getting a question wrong, or anyone teasing you for what you said out loud in class, I don't want you to have that fear in here. In this class, we're going to make a ton of mistakes, but we're going to learn from them. We're going to build each other up, and that's how we succeed as a class. We are all in this together, and I am always here for you. I can't wait to meet all of you, and I'm so excited for this year to start.